Morning. Let us continue the class. In last class we have completed all the explanation and all. Today we will start writing the new words. That is engineer, architect, mason, plumber, electrician, painter, carpenter, fiber, synthetic, occasion, comfortable, synthetic fiber you can write Fibre, synthetic fiber. Engineer, Engineer, architect, Mason, plumber, electrician, painter, carpenter, fiber, synthetic fiber, OCCASION is occasion, and COMFORTABLE is the comfortable. These are the 10 words. Please copy these 10 words and you can repeat the words along with the spellings. Engineer, ENGINEER, and architect, mason, plumber, electrician, electrician, painter, carpenter, fiber, synthetic fiber, synthetic fiber, OCCASION is occasion, and COMFORTABLE is comfortable. These are the 11 words I have given you. Few more spellings are there. While writing the question answers, we will repeat and write. If you feel that the few more new words are there, that you can underline and write. 3-4 words you can write. To by heart the spellings, you have to by heart the spelling. Now few objective type also I will show you. You can open the page number 195 and 94. The second bit, that is number according to the sequence of work done in construction. The construction of a work, the video also you have seen that I have sent along with this. The bit number 2, and you have to give the numbers according to the construction done sequence. So first one is, which one will come? Laying the foundation. Here you can give number 1. And the second is building of the pillars. This is the second. And third, curing of the roof. Curing of the roof is third. And fourth is laying of bricks to make walls. Fifth is laying of water and sewage pipes. This is the fifth. And sixth is then flooring. This is the sixth one, is flooring. And seventh is fitting of doors and windows. And eighth is painting, that is completion, nearing to complete. Painting is giving the shape, giving the good look to the house. And one more, match the following, you can do it by yourself. Multiple choice. I'll show you. Open page 194, bit number 4. match the following. You do it by yourself. It makes several dash to build a house. Hours, days, months. C is the correct one. You can write months. The function of the foundation is to support the weight of the house. B is the correct one. Then turn the page. Third, in places heavy rainfall, houses are built on stilts. A is the correct one. You can write it here in the bracket. Then this is a natural fiber. Options are polyester, nylon, linen. So linen is the natural fiber. The flax plants, they remove and do it. Linen is the correct one. These clothes must be dry cleaned. These clothes must be dry cleaned. Cotton clothes, jute clothes, woolen and silk clothes. So woolen and silk clothes are the correct one. You can write here. Say yes or no. Silk is an artificial fiber. Wrong. Synthetic fibers are strong and durable. Yes, correct. Then use a very hot iron on the clothes. Wrong. Wrong. In places where there are earthquakes, houses are made of wood. Right. Then houses in hilly areas are made of mud and straw. It is wrong. And fill in the blanks, you can see. First one is coir is produced from the shell of a coconut. The cotton balls have thin fibers on them called lint. Third, clothes are made from different kinds of fibers. Linen fibers are produced from the stem of the flax plant. Silk fibers are obtained from the cocoon of the silkworm. And here are the match the following. Match the following, you can do it by yourself. This is the 7th bit. We get cotton from the cotton plant and coir from the coconut shell, silk from the silkworm and wool from the sheep. This also I have told you. You can do it in the textbook. With this we have finished writing the new words and the objective type also. In the next class we will write the question answers. Thank you.